The following message has been translated. Request of civil authorities. At 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a strange creature is on the loose, and it was last seen at Floridian Hotel. All residents in a 5-mile area should lock your doors immediately. If you see this creature, run away from it. The following message has been translated. Request from Ukrainian government. At 1 o'clock, Western Standard Time, a door's entity is now identified as Screech. Screech is a monster that can whisper to your ear. If you hear this sound, look at it immediately. If it's a failure, he will bite your head. All residents in a 50-mile need to seek shelter immediately. Following this martial law will be active for a couple of hours. If you don't follow the martial law, you will get shot instantly. Stay safe, Ukrainians.
The following message has been translated. Request of Japanese government. At 1:20 am Eastern Standard Time, a 20.5 earthquake has struck the coast of Japan, making it the strongest, deadliest earthquake in history. All residents in a 900 miles must flee the country now. I repeat, flee the country. It is too late to flee. I repeat, it's too late to flee. A massive earthquake is now beginning to strike at Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Run while you still can.
Sir, I think something is wrong.
What is wrong? Is it a Japanese 20.5 earthquake again? Seriously. Something is wrong when it occurs to it. Please stop asking me something is wrong.
But sir, it's serious, you know that, right?
I know. How are we supposed to help Japan? Do nothing?
Sir, I got the right answer. I need to help Japan by using my brain.
What the fuck are you supposed to use your brain for? Are you dumb? There is no way your brain can't help a 20.5 earthquake. I got a good idea. What if we help Japan by using our helps to the country? And try making the strongest stuff in the world.
Good idea, boss, but how are we gonna make that strongest stuff?
Oh, it's easy. All you have to do is... What the hell was that? It was an explosion coming from our area. Wait, is that ambush?
Oh crap, we are going to die.
The following message has been translated. Request of United States government. At 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Yellowstone volcano has erupted, causing by ambush and rush. Ambush is a ghost that has a speed at 100 miles per hour, making it a fastest being on the planet. Flee immediately.
The following message has been translated. Request of the United States government. The world is collapsing. I repeat, the world is collapsing. At 11:59 am Eastern Standard Time, depth, the Blue Doors entity, is on the loose, with incredible speed of 10,000 miles per hour. That is nothing we can do. Goodbye.
The following message has been translated. Request of civil authorities. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 3 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, an error has occurred on the time, making it a complete stop. Making it to 3 p.m. in the morning, people reported their houses are flickering and seeing illusions of a dark person watching them. During this time, all residents must lock their doors immediately, and thousands said, if you make a lot of noise, he will break in and kill you within minutes, trying to find you. Stay tuned for more information about this dangerous situation.
What are you guys doing? Doing.
Oh, where are you, son? In your father. Come out whatever you are. Oh, son, your dad is gonna be mad. Come out whatever you are, or you'll be in big doo-doo. Oh, son, your daddy is gonna be mad. Come on out, Daddy wants to play with you. You don't wanna hurt my feelings, do you? Son, where are you? Don't make me grab you. Oh yes, your basement, where all my prisoners are staying. Join them. You can run, but you cannot hide. Ha 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 ha.
So what was it again?
It was this fucking entity who wants to kill me.
Yeah, you're right, Jonathan. I saw it on the broadcast. And did it break in your home too?
Yes, unfortunately, it was tragic. This monster found my location, but how? Is it still 3 in the morning?
Unfortunately, yes, it is still 3, and we need to fix it somehow.
If it's a time center, would it be in the control room?
Maybe you're right. It's in the control room.
An adventure, here we come. Wait, hey dude, look at this. This is a button to press it to start again. Let's do it.
Unfortunately, I won't let you do that, Jonathan.
John, we have to. If we don't, how are we gonna get the sunlight back? Please listen to me, John. You have to listen to me.
There is no John now, Jonathan. Now perish.
John, stop this. Now. So it's what gonna be. I have to use this for after years of torment. Now die, John.
What happened? Did I possess into a demon?
Yes, you did. Now let's press it and let's get out of this place.
The following message has been translated. Request of time center at 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. The time is now moving and the heroes are Jonathan and John. We will resume back to our normal programming.